Hi traders, in this video I am going to explain what is forever order and how to place a forever order or GTT order and how can you use them actually in your favor whether you are a trader or investor, and I'll give you a little hack that I'm using. To place a forever order, we have three methods to do it in Dhan web trading platform. Method 1 is from the watch list. You can select any instrument, it will open up the information of that particular stock in the right side panel. From here you can place a forever order of that stock. And the second method is you can also place from the smart investment panel of that stock. Third method is from the forever order panel of orders tab in the main menu bar. Here you need to search your desired script. Click on start forever order. Search your desired script in the universal search box, for example ITC. Just remember that you can place forever order for investing in equity segment only, not any other segments. To place a forever order, just select any script from your watch list and it will open up an information dashboard about that particular script on the right side of the window where you can find an option called forever order. Just click on that one. As you can see, forever order window has opened up. In this pop-up, you can see the name of that particular script with LTP. Here, you can type the quantity and you can key in the limit price point to buy. As you can see, when we are typing in the price box, the limit price and the trigger price is also changing. When you input the price, the limit price will be your input price and the trigger price will be -2 in the number of your input limit price point. So forever order are similar to the trigger order, but the time period is forever. As you can observe, this is one type of trigger buy limit order. Key in your desired price and click on the set forever order and it will be saved for your lifetime or until you cancel or edit that order. As you can see in my orders tab, forever order panel, I placed some forever orders for a better understanding. In this order panel, you can find all your forever orders in one place. This panel gives the details of time, name of that script, order type, as I said, always delivery only. If you want to use it for intraday, you can sell that stock on the same day, that will be counted as an intraday only. And quantity, order value, your buying price and your trigger price and the LTP of that stock, and the last one is status. If you want, you can modify or cancel and you can see the details of that order also. What we have done differently is, if you want to execute this order while markets are open, just click on the place delivery order. What it will do is, it will open up a pop-up of investment market order of that stock with pre-filled quantity. But if you want, you can place a limit or trigger order also. We have given the facility so that you can use this order form in your favor. Draw major support and resistance as pinpoint prices. Calculate the quantity. Just place forever orders to buy. It will give promising returns for investors as well as traders. And right now we are not providing the forever order in sell side, and we are going to introduce this facility very soon. But there is a hack that can be used right now until we introduce it in sell side. If you want to sell a stock at limit price, you can always use the trigger price alerts so that the price alert will remind you to sell that stock. Then you can do it manually. I made a perfect video on price alerts, how can you place, how can you use, and I gave a little hack. You can find the link in the description below. And the second hack is, if you want to sell a stock, you can just buy one of that stock at the same price point using forever order, and when the trigger is reached, you will receive all kinds of notifications to your mobile. You can come and see, okay, this order has been executed, so I can sell all that stock. In this way, you can use forever order in your sell side also. Thank you.